your thinking of English automatically increasing day by day with time. How are you all? Welcome back to Learn Native English. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you most important thing for speaking English. Mostly people are asking me how to how to think in English. If you have not think in English, you can't speak English. So you have to think in English. So both how to speak and how to think. First of all, I'm gonna tell you, if you think in English, so you have to listening, you have to write, you have to learn. You have to learn with time only English words, like listening English, writing English, and speaking English. Whatever comes to your mind doesn't matter. So if you are spend most of the time for English words, then you have your mind automatically works for English words. So you have to observe English words. So your subconscious mind observe that keywords, that English keywords observe automatically. So your thinking of English automatically increasing day by day with time. So you have you have you have done automatically think in English. If you are mostly time spent with English words, which comes from whatever which comes from listening, reading, writing, doesn't matter. You have to only spend your mostly time only English words, not other language. If you learn English, mm, if you learn English and if you want English to speak, so you have to observe English words. That is easy, only easy. So if you follow this idea, then you you can observe your change in your speaking English. Then you can change. So if you like the information, like, share the video, also subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. If you have any kind of doubt related these points, related these idea, please tell in the comment box, and see you in the next video.